Okay, just shooting a quick walk around on this one. Go ahead and fire it up. Nice GMC 5-window cab. Then chassis swap, LS swap, new gauges, Lokar shifter, Bluetooth radio, AC, power steering, power brakes, comfortable seat, really nice patina. 5.3 Vortec engine, 4L80 trans. We got 4-speed with overdrive, automatic trans. Truck is just a really fun truck to drive. Does have rust, mainly in the bottoms of the fenders and in the bed, floors, cab corners, frame, mount, all that solid on the truck.